Practice about that one which you know the best. Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with Sarita. Guys, first of all I want to tell you that I am not an English teacher, I am an English learner. Here I will be sharing with you my real life spoken English experiences, tips and tricks. Guys, these tips and tricks have helped me a lot in my spoken English journey, and trust me, if you will also follow these tips and tricks, your spoken English is also going to be good enough. So guys, before starting today's video, I would request you to watch this video till end, and if you like the video, please hit that like button because it motivates me to make more and more videos. Also, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video as much as you can. So guys, let's start today's video. Guys, in today's video I am going to talk about that what was the first thing I practiced when I started my spoken English journey. So guys, the first thing which I practiced, which I learned, was my self-introduction. And why I chosen my self-introduction? Guys, I think that we should practice that thing first which we know the best. So I thought that I should practice my self-introduction first. So guys, I suggest you, once you start speaking English, you please note down something about yourself. Something here I would like to tell you, that your name, your city, your qualification, your hobbies, your strengths and your weakness, and if you are in any profession, that profession also. So guys, first you need to note down all these things on a paper and then start practicing those lines on daily basis. I suggest you to practice these lines in front of mirror so that you can get that confidence and you can get command over those sentences. Guys, I always say you that practice makes a man perfect, and if you will not practice, you cannot speak. So the first thing which you should do, according to me, that you should start practicing your self-introduction. So guys, the second thing which you should do, guys, you should start practicing your daily routine. Guys, please note down your yesterday routine, your daily routine and your tomorrow's routine. Guys, actually I am also a beginner, so I am also practicing. I have mentioned in all my videos that I have taken a 30 days challenge, and guys, trust me, this is my funda of practicing, and I will suggest to you, if you are also a beginner, please start making your videos. You will get to learn many things about ourselves, how we speak, what are the expression we use. So guys, I suggest you to start making videos. Okay, so coming back to the topic, I was saying that you should practice your yesterday routine, your daily routine and your tomorrow's routine. So guys, these routine will help us in knowing our past, present and future tenses. So guys, please start practicing your daily routine structure. Guys, the third thing which I suggest to you, that guys, you should practice your English with someone. Guys, if you will not practice, you are not going to speak English. By any of the means, you need to find out a conversation partner with whom you can speak. Guys, you can get so many knowledge about grammar, about vocabulary, about the sentences, and you also know how to make sentences, but if you will not practice those sentences, those vocabulary in your day-to-day life, you are not going to speak very well. So guys, start practicing with someone if you really want to learn spoken English. Guys, actually I have tried app Hello. I have made video for that also, so you can try that Hello app. It's very easy and it's free of cost also. So guys, please start practicing with anyone. Without practice we cannot get anything. So guys, this is all about my today's video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Guys, if you are not able to find any conversation partner, please do mail me at englishwithsarita@gmail.com. I'll try to connect with you, and then we together will learn, we together will start practicing. Guys, as you all know that today is my 17th day of spoken English challenge, and you can see the change. Guys, you go to the I am dekho again. So guys, I am also using these kind of sentences. So guys, you please check out my first video, and today it's my 17th video. You yourself can feel the change in me. So guys, you can also take this kind of challenge where you can also start making videos and you can start talking to any other person. So this way only we can learn our spoken English. So guys, hope you like today's video, and I'll catch you tomorrow at the same time with my 18th day spoken English challenge. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.